Famous crossdresser Bobrisky regrets his surgery as he cried bitterly in pains. Adorable moments, Nollywood actress Uche Obodo welcomed her baby and also prayed for her friend Anita Johnson. Hello, my great people. They wanna welcome back to my channel. Una dey new, wanna welcome. Una dey old, wanna super duper welcome. Alright, baby, wanna help me check below. When I see the subscribe button, click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And I baby, don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, my great people. Them. Hey, guess who is warming up for Omugwo? Anita Joseph is warming up now for Omugwo. Her bestie Uche Obodo has put to bed a bouncing baby girl. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And I know say Nollywood actress Uche Obodo been there very generous, in sharing details with us about her pregnancy, the journey, how the thing they go, how she they do her exercise, how the thing they share they go now. So she just a slave with the pregnancy. Then come see the pregnancy glow was just on another level. The drama surrounding the pregnancy was just on another level. And now the bundle of joy is finally here. People when they talk say Uche Obodo husband na small boy. I beg, I want to tell una say in John Thomas na old man. In John Thomas no be small boy. In John Thomas don't matured. Anybody when John Thomas don't matured to put a woman belly, that person no be small boy. No call him small boy again. So he is a man. He is a grown man. And now he is a father. Yes, so he's a father to a beautiful daughter. Oh my God! See as the day happy. Uche Obodo can write this one. Ima can follow write this one. Alright, so she first writes there our Bonnie is here. Born 6/8/2021, weight 3 kg. Can write say my Bonnie is finally here. Can laugh 3 times. I'm so excited. It's been an excitingly fulfilling journey. Mother and child are perfectly fine. Thank you all for your good wishes and prayers. Alright, so as she shared this video where her pikin father they play with in bundle of joy, she can write say my baby can't get enough of his baby. Can say and they both look like twins. OMG. And Bobby Maris beat me 8-0 on this one. Wow, congrats you proud parents. I'm so happy for them. This like what it remind. As I say this one to me, they give you joy, where they sweet your belly, and that thing no be seen. You no hurt anybody. Although I don't know, I know if you judge them say anyhow, man no go. In fact, and you no hurt anybody in the process. So look on there. So now the thing that I'm so super happy for Uche Obodo. Like, oh my God, her pregnancy journey has been on another level. Baby shower drama. Baby shower drama. And it just I can't put for head like this, like Allah. Then they quarrel. This one, that one. But thank God, say finally, the bundle of joy is finally here. And now they get something. At least a handful of. Now time to walk, sleepless night. Nothing, baby. No time to say you won't do any drama. Alright, my great people them. So I thank God for both of them. And I also wish Anita Joseph say I should go to Dudu Omugwo. God go visit her there with her own pikin. Because say she don't been first talk for interview she get recently. See people they come her IG, they come talk, talk. They tell her say where you go carry belly, be husband, no people person belly, all those kind. Talk. Unnecessary pressure where they mount on her for nothing's sake. And those pressure no go for woman when they find pikin. The pressure will make the woman they think, they think, and medically they say once you don't think like that, your system go lock. Nothing for lagbaja again. So all those people where they come mount those kind of necessary pressure. You know be her mother-in-law, you know be her sister-in-law, you know be the man himself. What it concern you? Even mother-in-law, even sister-in-law, what it concern them? If no be say Nigeria, people know they mind their business. Wetin concern you? You just won't go. And you know when they always like to do those kind of things, maybe when you know say Anita Joseph and her husband sabi like to do PDA where call me body. So when they don't they go me body like that, some bad belly people, yeah, because I call them bad belly. You know, anything concern body with overload, go just go. Which time you go born, man? You don't tell. It's not good. Nobody knows tomorrow. And even some people where they even do this bad belly, some of them are single ladies. You never marry you. Tomorrow carry belly. I no pray for you, but it's not good. No, they do something where we say tomorrow. When it don't happen to you, you will be in the run from one prophet to the other. It's not fair. When I read about her interview, I was so sad. I said, it's not good. It's not good at all. So my great people, them, by God's grace, I should go to do more go her own to go come. Alright, so as her bestie Anita Joseph congratulations her, say congratulations to us, to the strongest chick I know, Atuchi Obodo and Bob Marley's Bonnie is here, 8th of June. You see why I said will always be special. When I found out Bonnie was gonna come 8th of June, my heart skipped for joy. Yay! Even the ejection followed the pain me. Then Uji now say, you are next in line, my sunshine. Then Tony Abrahams follow come pray for her, say, you are next, my darling. So they say the voice of God is the voice of, the voice of men is the voice of God. So as they don't talk so, Baba God they don't hear. And very soon we'll go celebration too with Nollywood actress Anita Joseph and her husband. We name be MC Fish. But he never tell us the type of fish, whether na catfish or scumbia or croaker, sardine or to. Alright, my great people, them we'll move into the next gist. Some people they celebrate children, some people they cry. Ayo, who send you? Bobrisky say, waiting the shell for inside. Say waiting the shell for inside there. He said the thing pass power. He said the thing pass power. In fact, the thing wear cover shoe. He wear cover shoe. The Matthias. Una no say last week, couple of days back, either last week or the other we were born last week. Then Bobrisky come out say one go surgery for Obodo Yibo and all that. Later they come discover say no Obodo Yibo, say na for Lekki here. Then Bobrisky won't go the surgery. Some people they call the yabam and all that. So during the surgery, where he said during the process, he was carrying us along, making videos and all that. So now, people like say they don't finally discharge him in the house now. He said no be small pain. He said the pain is beyond. He said the point he means he won't buy. He said me won't buy. He said the surgery na 360. I bet. Una know of liposuction, I be liposurgery, I be liposika, I be lipo I don't know my correct people them. How which one be 360? If I say 360 now, in fact I don't even know, I don't even explain it, I don't know. So he said the surgery na 360. And when I know say before Bobrisky go that surgery, they don't first tell and say, Bobrisky, your skin no go fit carry this surgery. Wait first. Wait for some time, for like 8 months, make your skin cells they build up. Because over 85% of your skin don't damage. Bobrisky say no. Bobrisky go sign. Either if I buy, if I perish, I perish. This surgery, I need them. I need to pay people for IG. I need to, no. So Bobrisky go sign now. The doctor too won't carry out the process. So Bobrisky say in the heel, but the pain is just on another level. Alright, so we'll listen to her. Alright, so Bobrisky can say 360 lipo is damn painful. I want my life back. Can't put emoji where they cry. Cause my stomach is so hot. My back is gone. Can't cry again 4 times. So I can't hold the M no more. So, well, I can't still write again. I'm sorry, I've been off here lately. I'm in pain. Can't cry again 5 times. Yeah, Bele, Baba. You can't see right again. Say the worst of all is sleeping in one position all day. Can't see again 4 times. Now consider say thanks to my house girl Rita for always rubbing my back at night. I love you for supporting me with this journey. Wow. The ranting no end on my cry people them. She said I thought I was crying. The pain is out of this world. So when they say beauty is pain, you just say na play them in the play. And finally you come brag. Say my hips na by too cute and petite. So congratulations. My cry people them now wow, but is it really worth it? Is it really worth it? Why all the pains, why all the stress for waiting now? Anyway, different strokes for different folks. Me I dey here with my own. I don't even feel reason that kind of thing. Maybe for reason now when I be adolescent that time when things they shock me, you know when you dey small adolescent age you go get crazy obsession, but now those kind of things no fit trip me again. Now my bella dey fine, but risky get a pala so bella dey fine. I been waiting, so more choke I put for fast reaction. My correct people them.